Interior firm owners, if you are watching this video, then you probably want to add more projects to your pipeline. And the chances are you are struggling to get new site visits consistently. Without site visits, how you will be able to close more deals every single month consistently? I understand that it's hard to trust anyone online. You have already burned a lot of your money with the other marketing agencies. You have bought the leads, पर leads तो फोन भी नहीं उठाते, साइट विजिट्स तो दूर की बात है. आप अपना काफी सारा पैसा बर्बाद कर चुके हो एंड स्टिल आपको कोई भी कन्वर्जन नहीं मिला. पर इंटीरियर फर्म ओनर्स, अगर आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट्स चाहिए तो आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा साइट विजिट्स करना होगा, राइट? एंड मोर क्वालिटी साइट विजिट्स equals to more quality projects. Simple. That's why we have built the IGP system, which is the Interior Growth Partners System. We schedule direct site visits of you with the high quality homeowners, which means आपका और homeowner का confirmed meeting. So इस 5 मिनट की वीडियो में मैं आपको समझाऊंगा कि इंटीरियर ग्रोथ पार्टनर सिस्टम आपकी किस तरह से हेल्प कर सकता है एंड ये किस तरह से वर्क करता है एंड व्हाई यू शुड कंसिडर इट फॉर योर इंटीरियर फर्म्स ग्रोथ. But before that, we need to discuss a very important thing, which are results. So we have helped Gayatri ji close 5 projects in just 3 months. She has made more than 70 lakh rupees in just 90 days with us. Her first project was rupees 22 lakhs and her second project was rupees 12 lakhs with us. And she is closing multiple deals every single month with us. And she is visiting at least 15 new homeowners every single month. Shashank ji, we have helped him close 2 projects in 45 days as a new interior firm owner. You know how difficult it is to land new projects when you are a new interior firm owner. And he kickstarted his firm with our agency and he landed not only 1 but 2 projects in just 45 days. We have helped Asif ji, Dinesh ji, Dhruv ji, Jagdish ji to create 2 crore rupees of pipeline of high quality homeowners in just 30 days. All of this sounds awesome, right? अभी आपका ये क्वेश्चन होगा कि how we are doing this, how we will be able to do this. So Interior Growth Partner System is a 4-step process which ensures that you meet with real high quality homeowners who have high budget without chasing leads or wasting your money on cheap people or fake inquiries. So step 1, we run advertising campaigns on Meta, which is Facebook and Instagram ads. Step 2, we generate quality leads from our funnel. Step 3, we manually verify leads to schedule your site visits. So as soon as we get a lead from Facebook or Instagram, our team calls every single leads to verify it. And after that only we schedule your site visit. And the step 4, we follow up with each and every single lead until they sit with you, cause show up matters. That's where you will be closing more deals. Scheduling site visits isn't gonna help you. Sitting with the people every single month is going to help you. अभी आपके माइंड में काफी सारे डाउट्स एंड क्वेश्चंस होंगे, so let's cover all of those. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आप तो मेटा में एड्स रन करते हो, मेटा में तो क्वालिफाइड लीड्स जनरेट ही नहीं होती. आपने ये चीज़ काफ़ी सारे लोगों से सुना होगा एंड आपका भी ये थिंकिंग होगा एंड आपका ये थिंकिंग एक एक्सटेंट तक सही है, बट हमने काफ़ी सारे पैसे स्पेंड करने के बाद मेटा एड्स को क्रैक कर लिया है. आप बोलोगे कि मेटा से ऐसे प्रोस्पेक्ट्स मिल ही नहीं सकते जिनका बजट 10 लाख से ज़्यादा हो या 20 लाख से ज़्यादा हो, पर हमने 10 lakhs नहीं 30 lakhs 40 lakhs वाले लीड्स भी जनरेट किए हैं जस्ट फ्रॉम मेटा. So every site visit which we schedule for you will be having the budget of 10 lakhs or more. It's our Interior Growth Partners assurity. Second question, verified lead या एक quality lead क्या होता है? So जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि हम every single lead को कॉल करते हैं और उन्हें वेरीफाई करते हैं. So हम every lead से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं to make sure that they are a qualified lead. So we ask them these questions. First, we will give you the property owner information, which is their name, phone number and email. Then property information, we ask their property address, property location, what is their property type, what budget do they have, what is the area of the property, number of rooms they have, and we also ask for the floor plan from every single homeowner, so we can give it to you before you make the site visits. This makes our site visits really genuine. We also ask for their requirements, like do they want a premium interior or standard interior, and we only schedule the site visits who have a turnkey project. We also ask for their budget, like how much budget they have, and then we schedule your site visit date and time, and we also ask for the additional information. So all of the leads which we get are verified by this checklist, and that's what make our leads completely verified and a quality lead. So अभी आपका क्वेश्चन होगा साइट विजिट का एरिया क्या होता है? So every site visit which we schedule will be from your targeted area only. So let's say आपका कंपनी मुंबई में बेस्ड है, so we will only schedule site visits for you in Mumbai. अगर आपका कंपनी मुंबई में बेस्ड है and you want to visit people in Pune or Goa, then we can definitely do that from our campaigns. So our IGP system can help you to grow in other cities and states as well. But all the site visits which we schedule for you will be from your targeted area only. Now आपका ये क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि एड्स किस नेम से रन होते हैं, whose name will be shown on the ads. So all the ads which we run through our IGP system will be having your interior firm's name. So your name will be shown on each ad and the people will be knowing you or your company only. Fifth question, site visit का टाइमिंग कैसे वर्कआउट करेगा? How we can make sure that हम अवेलेबल हों जब भी आप एक साइट विजिट शेड्यूल करो. So to make sure साइट विजिट का टाइम हमेशा वर्कआउट करे, हम दो चीज़ें करते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग, our team will contact you before a week. For example, हम सैटरडे को आपको कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे to take account of your following week's schedule, and according to that we will schedule your site visit. And the second thing which we do is soft scheduling. What we mean by it is, before scheduling a confirmed time with a homeowner, we make a soft approach. We ask for multiple availability according to the homeowners. We ask homeowner, are they available at 10 a.m? Are they available on Sundays, Tuesdays? So this makes sure that we have multiple availabilities, and then we schedule your site visits according to your and the homeowner's availability, which makes our show up rate really high. So here are some real site visit numbers of one of our client, which will make you understand how everything works with IGP system. So this is Dinesh Ji Iron Gate Interiors case study. So here are the numbers. Minimum we schedule one site visit every single day, and the maximum site visits which we are scheduling every single day are 3. So 3 site visits maximum. And we average around 2 to 3 site visits booked every single day with the minimum show up rate of 20%. In the last 2 weeks, Dinesh Ji has done 8 site visits in Mumbai and has finalized one project for his interior firm. Asif Ji's Foxco interior team has visited more than 20 homeowners in just 30 days. Gayatri Ji is also visiting anywhere at least 15 new prospects every single month. So here are the numbers which you can expect for your interior firm. We schedule anywhere 2 site visits every single day, which means in 30 days it will be 60 new site visits, right? And if we consider 20% show up rate, which is the worst case scenario, if we consider 20% show up rate, you will be visiting 12 new property owners every single month. अगर आपको कंसिस्टेंटली 10 से 15 न्यू साइट विजिट्स हर महीने मिले तो आप और ज़्यादा डील्स क्लोज कर पाओगे, राइट? सो वेलकम टू इंटीरियर ग्रोथ पार्टनर्स. हियर वी आर ऑफरिंग 20 new site visits with high quality homeowner in 90 days, and these are guaranteed site visits. If we fail to fulfill it, we will be returning all of your money to you, no question asked. If you book your call right now, we will give you not only 20 but 30 new site visits with verified homeowners in 90 days plus 20% discount on our service fee. एंड 30 साइट विजिट्स के साथ आपको कोई भी 2 कोर्सेज में से एक कोर्स कंप्लीटली फ्री मिलेगा. सो फर्स्ट कोर्स है इंटीरियर ऑर्गेनिक मास्टर क्लास. इस कोर्स की मदद से आप अपनी ऑर्गेनिक मार्केटिंग को कंप्लीटली स्ट्रीमलाइन कर सकते हैं, जिससे आपको हेल्प होगा इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब, लिंक्डइन, गूगल जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे अपना ओमनी प्रेजेंट मार्केट बनाने में. And the second course is Interior Growth Partners Sales Masterclass. With the help of this course, you will be able to close more projects with the proven strategies which we have learned from the sales expert. आप ये दोनों कोर्सेज में से कोई भी एक कोर्स completely फ्री ले सकते हैं. अगर आप अपना कॉल अभी बुक करते हैं हमारे साथ, तो हम आपको 30 न्यू साइट विजिट्स देंगे इन 90 डेज प्लस 20% डिस्काउंट प्लस कोई भी एक कोर्स जिससे आपको मदद होगा आपका इंटीरियर फर्म ग्रो करने में. So don't miss this chance out. Spots are limited. We are only taking on few interior firms this month. So if you want to grow your interior firm with Interior Growth Partners, book the button below and book your call, and we will let you know whether Interior Growth Partner will be able to help you or not.